The continue the video we have before like a special offer bestseller, right? A special offer not coming from here, so I make here PSP database. Okay, let's go to the database bazaron, not bazaron, Laravel full e-commerce site, right? So here we have a product is a special offer. I have added some products. I have a special offer is one now. Okay, so that's why there is a special offer is coming. Let's review once again. Go to the controller, home controller. Okay, and the index page we are sending the best selling products. Is the selling, we have to sales count. We will sales count list in the table. We will add after order created. Okay, sales count here, and that is the 534. We will count here dynamically later. And then this is a special offer is true, and brand you have to get from the brand's name and slug, and with the image we have to bind the storage. Okay, and we have to pass this one as a bestseller and a special offer and brand in the e-commerce home page. And we have e-commerce home page is banners, bestseller, special offer, brands, and blog. Okay, these components we have to go into e-commerce component and home page. Best seller we have to check getting the best seller from the Inertia props, and this product we have looping, and then this looping mapping product we have to key id, and we have to pass the products. Okay, if no product we have to show the no bestseller available at the moment. And same on the special offer we have to create this one, right? So a special offer component, and on this component special offer, and then length counted if not have a special offer at the moment, like this, or we have to hide whole the component. Okay, now I have only like this because we have to add the some items, that's it. And after the brands we have to getting brand from the Inertia props, and we have to using the sweeper slider. Okay, and this sweeper slider you have to install packages, and then you will see in the sweeper component we have to delete that moment and brands and the sweeper slider items with images. After that we will get the result of this one, right? So, and here is in the card there is a black screen before, so I was solve this problem also. If you go to the product card component, there is opacity of this one has a black screen for the this button side. Opacity is 20, and shift flex justify center black I have 830. If we remove this one busy black or something, you will face the component directly white now, right? So that's why I am adding here black is 30. That means after hovering it's showing like small hover sections, right? That the Tailwind CSS function. Black is 30 divided by 30. And then product card have images, and this one have buttons. We have to make a letter dynamically if we to calculate and to head and search section. Okay, I think let's remove this two icon. Only one two icon we need, add to card and add in the wish list, right? And then we have to product. Let's go to the product detail page after clicking in the any in this area, or we have to click in the image. No need to, because we have to this button. I am clicking here in the name, or I will make in the card you whatever you want. After that I need to make this is a dynamic sections. Okay, this page, so that we have to make in the rest. Okay, let's go to the product detail page. If you go in the template, there is a template have in the live let's run in live section. Okay, live server, yes, there is color like this, but I am making the pages and something images here. Add to cart, same like I have to change this design into the Inertia template. Okay, So let's go to the first of all this product detail page. Okay, Inertia.js and pages of the e-commerce detail page. Okay, Inertia detail page, we are going to the here, and then we are getting the product component for related product. Let's first of all go to the controller. We have to pass something. I have make some little bit. Okay, product, we have to get this wise product, and we have to get the product resource of this product resource. If you go in the detail page, what we have to product resource, there is a product resource. We have to get option as an input. In the input we get options. At that time we will show the this option images. That option images means we have to log in. Okay. Wait. Okay, if we go here, we have a variation types. There is options, right? These options have a, if any images on these options, okay, we'll get these options. So that is the option images. So now not getting, later we will add or say test. Okay, so if this there is option in the input sections, then we have to get this option images, otherwise we have to get images. Okay, let's these two functions in the component model of the product. Okay, product have get images, and if the option counts, if option have greater than 0, we have to facing the options. Okay, if option images have any images, we have to send images of the first options image. Okay, if not options image, we have to send product images, which one is added by here. Okay, these images we have to send. So let's go to the options image from the option image. Okay, that is where is the image, uh, 1 second, where is the product resource? Yes, image, get image options for this one. Okay, where is the model? This method is not making it. Okay, so let's do this image also. Public function, yes, sorry. So images for the options, we have to array options IDs, right? If options IDs map null, then we have to get first of all option IDs is count. If options IDs, then let's get from the option IDs equals to array values of the options ID. We have to then sort, so this options ID, and then go to the options. Okay, and then variation type option, find by this option IDs, and where in this option id gain option images, and then for each options as options image, and wait, image is equals to option get first image url of the images and small. Okay, and then if image then return image. Okay, and first image returning. If not, this else condition no need. So what is this as not and return dash first first no get first image url from the small, otherwise if not image assets. Okay, images placeholder, let's see the placeholder image placeholder.png. okay, that one. Okay, placeholder in the directory name, copy, we do images direct here. Okay, yeah, that's it. So where we have to here product resource. So that product resource from the options image options we have to get, right? And then get product name, select price, quantity, first image of the image, then image list, variation types. From variation type is a variation type maps, and under this variation types is also options. Options have images, if images have then images also list. Okay, and then go to the variations, we have to send variations, and then all variation of this product we have to pass this here in the detail resource. Okay, and then go to home page, and then related product we have to get product, find the product where category id of the existing current product category id, and then where id is not equal to product id limited for, and send this get. Okay, so we have to pass the products and a related product to the detail page, and let's go to the detail page. So there is a detail page, we have to import this card component and a layout of the eCommerce and inertia link and some icons from the Lucy React, and then use effect and use memo of the React. Then we have to create an interface variation options, variation types, right? Variation type option is this one is arrays. Okay, and then variations, and then product props is the product name, id, description, quantity, images, variation types, and variation options. And the variation options is selected from the route. Okay, we will reload the route, that time what variation we have to select it, that variation will automatically selected. And then the related products on this props, and we have to get products and product variation options, and then related products. Okay, active image is the set active image quantity, and then active tabs, and some use state we have to define here. Okay, first define is the active tab is description, then compute the products. We have to select it option ids, found the selected ids and matching the variation, and getting the variation ids of the JSON string, and we have to compare the both and matching variation we have to get. And if matching variation get price, quantity, and variation we have to store on the computed product. Okay, that means if selected option changed and product has been changed, we will get this use memo hook. Okay, and use effect we have to define if variation type length is greater than initial options, we have to define this one, and product initial option of the variation type option id 0 we have to pass and this selected initial options, and if change the variation type we will change this effect. Okay, and then selected option we have to define selected option changed handle hook, and then discount in the original price, and the original price this discounts no need now. Okay, and later we will define for discount we need. Okay, so product discount means let's constant one, constant discount, because discount have then we need. Okay, discount 0. So let's first of all this breadcrumbs of the product page has a home page and product list of page and product name for breadcrumbs, and then main sections we are going to the main section in the define two columns. Okay, this is a related products, and this is one is the down description sections. Okay, description section we have the in the design. So first of all we have to define column large in the row and width is 2 by 5. That means discount we have to show in the product images, and this is a thumbnail of the images. Okay, this is image of the list, and after clicking we have to change the image from the main image. Okay, this is a product detail of the right side in the full width 3 by 5, and there is a product name. If area have index then rating we have to show, and for this rating we have to 5 rating, then rating we have to count it, and star fillable and not fillable logic is this one. Okay, in the array 5 we have to mapping in the index and the rating of the product rating, and index 1 is math flow rating we have fillable size, and fill current, and fill current is in the 16 in the half star. Okay, that is for rating section, and this is the rating count and rating reviews. If we getting this one rating and product ratings rating reviews count, we will pass this one. I have defined not defined it, but we will define this one also. Okay, rating and rating reviews count. Okay, product direct getting the this one. We have to go the here product resource, and now not define we can define the rating. Okay, next 4 and reviews count. What was the variable? Oh, where it is here reviews count. Okay, so product resource reviews count is 100. So we have to send like this, and there is something in the errors, that means we have to define also here rating number, also review count is float. Number. Okay, so it will be reviews count, reviews count. Okay, that's the reviews count. Yes, 4 and 100 reviews, right? So that's the product section. Left side is come image section. You will see in the design this is the left section for images, this is the right section of the product image, and right side we have first of all the rating for this rating section, right? Then we have to selected variation price. So this is a computed product means selected variation we have to define selected variation, right? And then computed quantity, how much selected is available or out of stock, and free shipping, this is a small text message, and this is a product description, and we have to variation types list. okay, looping. And then variation type, we have the checkbox, okay, selected checkbox like this one, the border radius, and selected options. We have to variation type in the looping, and under this types we have to looping the options, that means colors and the red, black, small and size, right? And then we have to go to the quantity select input, and after handle quantity is on click on the button, there is a minus quantity q minus 1, and same on the handle plus icon quantity set quantity q plus 1. Set quantity is quantity selected, right? So here is set state set quantity. And then input also change set quantity, this one is the value how much you have to quantity set it. And then action buttons, this one is. And then additional information for this under button, this is the Instagram social medias, the design. And then go to the description section, we have to making a tab, set active tab is the description, set active tab is the space, this one description. And we have to making a tabs, this is a description tab, right? So this is an inspection tab, you will go, this is not dynamic yet content, now only static, we will make dynamic content, this is not dynamic yet, you will dynamic later. And this is a related items, okay, this is a looping for related items. So that is the product define. After changing, we have to change the match, right? Where is this calculated? After change the variation types options, use memo, it will be defined this one type changes. So let's see, after black and small is the same price, but black and large is $300, right? So red and black large also 300, but small and this one 200, and available quantity is 100. 200, 2 quantity, 3 quantity, 4, like this quantity is increment, right? Right side image not showing, let's see why that is not showing, because there is a coming object, let's see what is the object coming. First of all, go back, click on here, and then products, related product images. First of all, image is okay, and there is images list and small large. Then images have a looping, so why not showing quantity is null coming, because its variation have. And then let's see the image, why not showing. Go to the image sections, we have to variation active images, right? Product images, active product name image, images as image dot what large, yeah, here is not large, here is thumb. And what is the set images, active is large, right? Yes, but designing has been mismatching. Let's fix this one, okay? Later fix, we will fix this one design, okay? Now it's fine. So little bit here we need to show. let's see another have a two images. Yes, right. So where is the design? Gap is this one. Already gap is this one, right? I think it's a good idea. Here I will also. Yes. Okay, let's we will make like later zooming, everything is fitable. And now we have to go to the add to carts and then uh, place orders. This feature let's make first of all. And also here is image not coming, something is not coming, right? Related product, I think this is not have images or have image. Let's see if image is coming in the related product or no. Let's see. After click related products have image, right? A small image have, then what happened? Yeah, then why not showing in the related product? Related product not image showing means something is wrong. First of all, let's see all related items. This one not have image, okay, fine. This one also not have, this one also not have. That means one have, right? Right, right. Which one product have? Then product not passing. Oh, product not passing like this. Like this we have pass, okay. Yes, that means now is coming the products, right? Related products is coming. So little bit fine, we will redefine after final version, right? So let's make the cart services a to cart and same like product service, we have to make the a to cart services, okay. App services cards service dot PSP, and let's make the this service, okay. Class cards service. Before let's card service next session video, okay. I have to close this sound, this my computer sounds, and then another section, another tutorial you will see the card add services and a place order, okay.